It's Victoria.
I'm Raylan.
And I'm Darlene.
Today we're going to do a science experiment and a Bible lesson. So one day, Jesus and his disciples were crossing the sea. All of a sudden, a huge storm began. The disciples were afraid, but Jesus was asleep. But once he has awakened, he calmed the seas. The disciples were amazed at the Lord's obvious power. Now we are going to do a verse. Salvation is found in no one else, for there is no other name under heaven given to mankind by which we must be saved. Acts 4, verse 12.
For the science activity, we're going to need 2 big bottles and one filled with about 3/4 of water. Then we're going to cut these little pieces and put them in the bottle. Now we're going to tape it.
So as you can see, we are putting a lot of tape so it doesn't leak. Now we are going to flip it over. So for this experiment, we are making a tornado.
The science behind the tornado in the bottle is that when you put the water in the paper, the bits of paper, when you flip it over, it creates a turbulent motion. And science doesn't have all the answers, but our Creator God has all of them.
Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Bye.